This particular meditation is to bring us to a deeper connection, a sense of place that we can locate in our bodies and in the physical world, a place where we can return to that brings us back to center. Place your feet on the ground, find yourself in a comfortable position, and gently close your eyes as we breathe in 3 times down into our bellies, feeling any tension just melt away. Bring your awareness to your belly. Imagine a golden cord moving like your spinal column. A cord moving up your chest, your throat, up the top of your head and beyond. And then see that cord moving down the other direction from your belly down into where you're sitting and into the core of the earth. Sense of place in our bodies is where we feel most comfortable. See if you can bring your awareness to where you might feel the most at home within your body. It might be in the head, the heart, the belly. Take a moment to just feel where you might return to again and again when you're in center. Now bring your awareness out into the peripheral. Where's a sense of place on this physical planet that you feel most at home? We walk on this earth with gravity holding us in place. You might feel your sense of being in nature while you're making art in your art studio, or with your family having a meal, or with loved ones. When we create from a sense of center, it's usually a visceral experience. We might be in a meditative experience when we're making the work, but when we become aware of the sense of place, not only in our bodies, but the inspirations we gather from in the outer world, bringing it through hands to paper or canvas or surface. Imagine you're making a piece of art. And you're taking from this visceral experience. What colors might you use? Is there a personal shape or symbol that reflects a sense of place for you? Just take a moment to feel that. Whatever pops up is just perfect. And if nothing pops up, just stay with the feeling. Would your art piece be small or would it be big? Are there any sounds attached to this sense of place? Can you connect a place from the outer world, the physical, into the body and connect it somewhere that you might feel it? The throat, the head, the heart, the belly, the hips. When we do this, it brings all our senses alive. So when we go to create, we're not just moving from the head. We're not just moving from chaos of whatever arises. We can stay centered. We can pull our inspirations from those places that we have visited in our lives, just through the sheer act of closing our eyes and remembering this feeling that we have here now in present time, that we can access at any time. If you're pulling from a sense of place of the cosmos, you can bring that in from the top of your head. If you're pulling from a place of deep groundedness, you can pull it up from the bottom of your feet. If you're accessing a memory, you can pull that in through all your pores just by feeling the sensations. Slowly wiggle your toes and your fingers. And when you do open your eyes, find 5 things around you to anchor yourself in. I invite you to maybe jot down some random writing without thinking. What you might have seen or felt in this particular meditation as you access. And after you do write it down, then maybe underline 10 words and then make a spontaneous art piece. Until again, enjoy.